Hi, Mark Tilley from Dirtbike Magazine. As you can see today, we're getting our first chance to ride the 2016 YZ250F. We chose the 60th anniversary edition. Can't wait to ride it. The 2016 Yamaha YZ250F received over 10 updates just in the engine alone, with a new flat-top bridge box piston design, a new piston pin, a new oil sprayer, the new crankshaft and connecting rod, a new counterbalancer, a new muffler bracket, revised 3rd, 4th, and 5th gear dog corners, a new clutch boss, a new shifter, a new shift stop lever and torsion spring, new shift engagements, new ECU settings that are leaner throughout the power curve, and the rev limiter cut sequence has been changed for a smoother transition. Internally in the clutch hub has been machined flatter at the plate contact surface, and the clutch judder spring has been removed for a more solid engagement. Yamaha returns with KYB suspension front and rear. The front forks received new settings. The rear suspension received new settings and a softer shock spring. The front disc has been increased in size to a 270mm disc, and the pad material has been changed for increased grip. Yamaha has returned with an embossed style graphics for 2016, and the bikes are available in a yellow 60th anniversary edition and the standard blue and white edition. One thing to keep in mind is genuine Yamaha Technology Racing, commonly known as GYTR, already has over 100 performance accessory items for the 2016 YZ250F, and you can find that at shopyamaha.com. For the complete test on the 2016 YZ250F, check out the November issue of Dirtbike Magazine, or for our first ride impressions, go to dirtbikemagazine.com.